Okay, here's a second part to that question. Consider divine question from 8-6. Assume that the fixed expenses assigned to each department include only direct fixed costs of the department. Now that's important to really read that language. If it says it's direct fixed cost, then it's traceable directly to that department, and it's also avoidable. You can get rid of it. Okay, so they're saying that the fixed expenses assigned to each department include only direct fixed costs rather than unavoidable fixed costs. So what it could include would be salary of the department manager and the cost of advertising directly related to that department. And if they discontinue a department, it will not incur these expenses. Now that changes everything. Under these circumstances, should Divine discontinue any of the departments? So this is how the textbook does this. We've got a decrease in revenue from accessories of $101,000. We'd also lose the variable and the fixed expenses, so total expenses of $116. Okay, so we'd lose revenue of $101, but we would lose expenses of $116. So operating income would increase by $15,000. Okay, now another way to do this, which is from my perspective is safer, just in case I get confused in a problem or something like that, is this is the current total right here of sales, variable costs. There's my contribution margin, less fixed costs is operating income. Now it's proposed if I take the accessories department out, then my new sales are $157. There's variable costs, contribution margin less fixed costs is operating income, and I've got my same difference of $15,000. This is just showing it broadly. You could put a column in here too that subtracts accessories from this. You might want to do it that way, but you know, one way or the other, whatever makes the most sense to you and is the easiest to remember. Okay.